In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this Dhaba style chicken gravy. And for that, heat the pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil, Once the oil is heated up, add the whole spices, 3 cardamoms, 3 cloves and 1 piece of cinnamon. Now I'm going to add the onion paste. Here I have taken 2 large onions. Fry the onion till the raw smell goes. Once it's done, then goes in 2 large tomato puree. Mix it well. And then add handful of coriander and mint leaves. Mix it well. Let's add the spices. I'm adding 3 teaspoons of red chili powder and then 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and then 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix it well. And next I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of chicken curry powder. Fry the spices until the raw smell goes. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of curd. Once the masala is done, I'm going to add the chicken pieces. Well coated the chicken pieces with the spices. Fry for about 5 minutes and then add enough water. Close the lid and keep the flame on low and cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can see the consistency of the gravy. Add salt if needed. And I'm adding 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Mix it well. Check the salt and add if needed. Finally, add some coriander leaves. Close the lid and cook for about 7 minutes on a medium flame. And here you go, the tasty and yummy, spiciest dhaba style chicken gravy is ready. So you can have this with naan, roti, even with plain rice. I hope you find this helpful and hope you like it also. If so, give me a thumbs up and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe Azana's Kitchen channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.